In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Icmarkets Ctrader demo account. Before we begin, here's what we're doing and why. A Ctrader demo account lets you practice trading in real market conditions without risking real money. It's perfect for learning the platform, testing strategies, and getting comfortable with order types and charting tools. Start by going to the official Icmarkets website. For safety, type the address directly into your browser and check that the site is secure before logging in. Avoid third-party links or ads that could lead to lookalike pages. Next, log into your existing Icmarkets client area, or create a new account if you're brand new. If you're signing up, you'll be asked for basic personal details. Keep your information accurate, create a strong password you can remember, and be ready to confirm your email. This client area is your hub for managing accounts, so make sure you can access it easily. Once you're in the client area, head to the Accounts section. This is where you'll see options to open, manage, and view both live and demo accounts. If you don't see it immediately, look for navigation links along the top or left side. From there, choose Ctrader as your platform. Icmarkets offers multiple platforms, so selecting Ctrader is important if that's the interface you plan to use. Ctrader is known for fast execution, clean charts, and a straightforward layout, which makes it great for both beginners and experienced traders. Now click. Open a new demo account. Be sure you're opening a demo, not a live account. You may see labels or toggles that distinguish demo from live. Double check before proceeding. Fill in your account details. You'll typically choose things like base currency, leverage, and initial balance. For practice, pick an amount that reflects what you might realistically trade in the future. That way, your risk sizing and psychology match real conditions. If you're unsure about leverage, lower settings can help you learn with more control. None of these choices are permanent. You can always open another demo later to try different setups. When everything looks good, click Proceed. The system will create your demo account within a few moments. Finally, check your email for your Ctrader login credentials. This message includes your account ID and server details. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Keep these credentials private, and remember they are different from your Icmarkets client area login. You'll use them to sign into Ctrader on desktop, web, or mobile to start practicing right away.